at those clouds. That's just what I need to rain and ruin the rest of my day. Oh. Hello? Oh, yes, hi. Okay, so what were the damages for the car? I'm sorry, what did you say? American money? $1,000? I barely bumped his bumper. How's that $1,000? Do you have coupons? Oh, no, I don't suppose you do that. Okay, well, I will get right on that. And yeah, thank you. Oh, and you have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye. Lord, $1,000? I don't have $1,000 just lying around. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Okay, well, I wonder what other good news I have today. Oh. What's this? Charlie sent me a letter? Gosh, I haven't talked to him in months since we broke up. I wonder what it could be. Hi, I hope this letter finds you well. I wanted to tell you in person, but we've been out of the country and I had to let you know. I'm getting married. She really is the love of my life. We are so happy. I can't wait for you to meet her. You will love her. Here's a pic of us in Niagara Falls where we met. They met in Niagara Falls? Who meets in Niagara Falls? She's a gem. We will have to have dinner when we are back in the States. Take care of yourself. All the best, Charlie. Married? Oh, and there's a pic. Perfect. Oh, she is a gem. So sweet. Huh. I'm sure they'll be very happy together. Congrats. I mean, whatever. I don't need him. Please, I have plenty of boyfriends. Plenty. And they're all named Bill. Thunder? It's raining? Oh, that's right. I got my car washed today. That's why it's raining. Perfect. Gosh. Oh, that's just what I need to ruin the rest of my day. I mean, I hate being trapped in here. Oh, rain, go away. Please just, gosh, come back another day. Doobie-doo-doo, doobie-doobie-doo-doo. What? Is she dancing in the rain? No. Is she nuts? What? Hello? Jeanne Kelly, it's raining. Go back inside, you crazy. She's gonna freeze out there. What is wrong with her? Who does that? Wow. She's just having a good old time, huh? She looks so happy. So strange. She must just not have a care in the world. Well, she obviously doesn't have the problems that I have. I mean, my heart's just been broken and I have all these money problems and but you know what they say. When it rains, it pours. Anything that can go wrong will go wrong, and at the worst possible moment. I mean, that's just my life.
Oh, I love a rainy night. I love a rainy night. I love to hear the thunder, watch the lightning as it lights up the sky. It makes me feel good. Oh, I love a rainy night. I love a rainy night. I love to hear the thunder, watch the lightning as it lights up the sky. You know it makes me feel good. Oh, come on.
No way am I going out there. Is she nuts? She's crazy. I'm not going to go out there and sing in the rain and, I mean, what is she? I mean, that's like out of control. No, I'm sorry. What is she thinking? Gosh. She's crazy. But she did kind of look nice. I mean, actually, kind of like somebody I would be friends with. What's that? Okay. A note? I can tell you're wondering why I'm out here singing in the rain. Well, yeah. Let me say, first off, that I have my own problems also. But no matter what my problems I'm having, I can always rejoice in God's promises. So I dance and sing. God promises me that He is always with me no matter what I am going through, that I'm never left alone. He promises me that no matter what troubles that rain down on me, in the end, He will always work for everything out for my good. And there are so many more in the Bible. So now I remember His promises. I sing in the rain, no matter what the storm. And when I do, hope rises up in my heart, and I'm set free. Just try it. Come outside and enjoy the rain. No need to just wait until your problems pass you by. Whether it's sunny or raining, God's promises never change, Lord. She's worshiping you. She's just praising you. She's got her umbrella, and she knows who's in control. Oh, Father, help me. Help me, Lord, to have that. Father, help me to have that faith and that trust, Lord. And I just ask, Lord, that You'd help me be set free like she is, Father. She's back. Wow, she's really good.
Come on, are you ready to join me now?
I am. Oh, hang on.
Hey, nice umbrella.
We're singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart. I'm ready for God's love. Just singing in the rain. Da 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 da.